Okay, so hi dear Virgo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal energy check-in for all the Virgo Sun Moon Venus rising for the month of March 2026. Yeah. So it's not a love reading or career reading or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. Let's see the overall energy for Virgo people for this month of March 2026. Let's see what we have. We have the Six of Pentacles, the Empress, and the Seven of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Death card. There is something in your energies that is shifting drastically. Like this is something after which your life is never going to be the same again, whether it's internal or external. For most of you, things are shifting in your financial area, in your family area. A lot of growth and expansion kind of energies there. You guys are focused on having some kind of equal give and take of energy regarding some kind of growth and expansion when it comes to your business, job, finances. For some of you, it can be related to a relationship also. But for most of you, you guys are super focused on creating some kind of stable base for the rest of your life for yourself and for people like those people whom you care a lot for. Okay. So the overall energy is of from this point onwards a big transformation is happening and you guys are focused on creating some kind of solid base for your life and people who are like family to you. Let's see in the recent past what was happening, Virgo. Three of Cups. Okay, in you guys were creating some kind of collaborations or partnerships, or you guys were very busy doing certain kind of research regarding some kind of coming together, coming back together. Just give me a sec. So there was some kind of collaboration, partnership coming together, coming back together that you guys were focused in on in the recent past. Let's see in the current situation what we have. Ace of Pentacles. I'm telling you guys are super focused on your career right now or your finances or starting or restarting something that is directly related to your stability for maybe for the rest of your life. So you guys are busy creating something long term, something stable. Let's see by the end of this month what we have. Page of Wands. Okay, you guys are going to be very excited in this childlike energy of let's do things, let's make things happen. Okay, that's really beautiful. Let's clarify the Three of Cups in the recent past for you guys. So we have the Queen of Wands, the Judgment, and the Ten of Swords. There was a collaboration or partnership that was exciting you, that was making you feel happy for some time, and then you get bored or you felt like this is not my type or this is not happening and I should get rid of this. So you ended some kind of chapter with someone with whom at some point of time you were feeling very happy, very excited, very full of life or something, but something happened there and you guys were like, nope, goodbye. Okay, you left something or someone behind then. Let's clarify the Ace of Pentacles in the current energies for you guys. We have the Seven of Wands, the Queen of Swords, and the Strength card. Hmm. You know, you guys are trying your best to remove all the obstacles or challenges, all the blockages that you guys facing in this direction, in this vision of yours to create some kind of solid base for your future. But still, something is stopping you from moving forward. Still, something is like from your side, you are ready to go. The path is clear, the vision is clear. Okay, everything is crystal clear right in front of you. You have the goal, you have the clear cut picture of what you want and how you want it and everything, but still there is some kind of energy of holding back or maybe taking a step back, or maybe you guys are still in this planning mode or in this energy of okay, Let's plan it properly before we are going to move forward in this direction. So there is a clear cut vision, there is a clear cut goal and understanding of what you want in a particular situation that is directly related to a long term situation of your life, long term stability of your life. But there is some kind of holding back energy. Okay. Or maybe taking a step back before taking a huge leap or huge jump. By the end of this month, we have the Page of Wands. Okay. You guys are super focused on finances, money, job, career stability. Love is on the back seat. Mhm. Let's clarify the Page of Wands by the end of this month. Virgo. We have the Three of Wands, Eight of Wands, and the Nine of Pentacles. And then it's like you ended something in the recent past. Currently, you are cleaning, like cleaning your path for starting a brand new chapter that is directly related to your stability. For most of you, it's related to something that is going to be there for the rest of your life. And then after some kind of stagnant energies, boom, everything will start moving forward in a very, very fast pace, at a very, very fast pace. Like, it's going to be like you guys are going to be excited, you guys are going to be full of life, you guys are going to be, let's do it. You guys will be waiting for some kind of signal from the universe's side, or for someone to show up, or something to show up in the correct energies. And bam, when it is going to show up, when the correct energy is going to match your energy, everything will start moving forward in a very, very fast pace, in a very, very beautiful and positive way. It's like you know it's similar to somebody opening a bridge and the water flowing in like crazy. Like, everything will start aligning, everything will start working out, everything is going to make you feel like like you are living a dream life. It's like dream come true. Hmm? So might be the universe wants you to go step by step here. Once you are going to clean the mess from the past that you already did, once you are going to like be in this energy of having proper planning and strategy about how to move forward, I think the universe is going to clear your path, and boom, everything will start coming to you. Dream come true energy. For most of you, almost all of you, this is related to your money, finances, independence, financial independence, something that is going to be there for the rest of your life. So it's going to be a brand new start, a brand new business, maybe a brand new job opportunity, work opportunity, your idea coming to fruition, you gaining momentum in a certain situation. But it can be in any area of your life. For some of you, it can be related to your spiritual growth as well. But for most of you, you guys are going to be like dream come true, related to your independence, financial freedom. And you guys are going to feel finally it's happening. Oh, okay, awesome energy, beautiful, congrats. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Virgo, for this month. We have the Eight of Cups, the Death card, the Devil. Whatever you are leaving behind, whatever you are walking away from, make sure you are never going to go back to the same kind of energy, same kind of person, same kind of toxicity, negativity, unhealthy kind of energies ever in this lifetime. This was like a test that you passed. Hmm? And if you are going to repeat the same kind of mistakes in another tests, okay, you are going to fail for sure. So basically, whatever you are leaving behind, make sure it's going to be in the past only. That is going to be the matter of the past. Detachment, transformation, and ending unhealthy patterns, unhealthy situations, unhealthy connections, unhealthy bonds is the right key for you guys to keep moving forward and get that kind of success that you deserve and want. So you are already cleaning a lot of mess, you are cleaning a lot of, you're making room for a brand new chapter of your life. Anyways, just a gentle reminder that you have to go through some kind of tests again and again and again while you are going to be on this journey of your manifestation. So make sure you are not going to repeat the same kind of mistakes, or you're not going to fall in trap with in the same way that you used to do in the past. So that's, we are good to go. Let's see the final message for you guys, Virgo, for this month. Release the past. That's the thing. You're already doing that. Just a gentle reminder, right? There is a more enriching future coming. Really beautiful things are coming to you, Virgo. Don't fuck it up. Let go and let God. Just let go of whatever you cannot change or control in your life anymore, and let the universe do its job. You do yours. Let the universe meet you halfway, right? So, yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you.